Dear Sir, Madam, my name is Mariia Tsepkova and I want to introduce my team to you. They are my colleagues and friends Polina Kravets and Valeriia Rzhemovska. Some days ago we were interested in one huge company, Royal Dutch Shell, and now we want to share this information with you. Shell has been doing global business for over a century while building one of the world's most renowned brands. Now an international company with its head office in The Hague and its business address in London. Royal Dutch Shell started life in 1907 as an alliance between Royal Dutch Petroleum Company and Britain's Shell Transport and Trading Company. The terms of the merger gave 60% ownership of the group to the Dutch arm and 40% to the British. Royal Dutch Shell engaged in the oil and natural gas production. The company operates through the following segments: upstream, downstream, and integrated gas. Integrated gas managed LNG activities and the conversion of natural gas into GTL fuels and other products. Upstream managed the exploration for and extraction of crude oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids. It also markets and transports oil and gas and operates the infrastructure necessary to deliver them to market. Downstream is a trading segment whose activity is to move and sell oil products worldwide for domestic, industrial, and transport use. Royal Dutch Shell is a vertically integrated oil and gas company with 83,000 employees operating more than 52 subsidiaries in 17 countries. Royal Dutch Shell uses a global matrix organizational structure based on 7 executive branches that support 4 business divisions. At Royal Dutch Shell, the regional building principle extends to parent manufacturing companies and manufacturing companies overseas. Each of the 2 parent companies subordinates 2 international subsidiaries, one for oil and one for chemical products. The 4 companies have a joint managing directors committee to which 6 regional manufacturing company managers report.
As one of the leaders on the world market, Royal Dutch Shell has many competitors. The strongest are Chevron and BP. They both work within the oil and gas exploration and sales sector. Annual revenue of Chevron $117.5 billion, but BP only missing $35.4 billion to catch up Chevron. Quoting, "We have always understood the need to work with others, to achieve our commercial, environmental, and social goals. Where we share our knowledge and experience with others contribute to better practices. And indeed, Shell cooperates with many companies and organizations, such as Oil and Gas Climate Initiative, Energy Institute, Alliance to End Plastic Waste. And this is only a small part. The total number of partners reaches 85. If you consider the company's revenue for the year, the figure is impressive, over $268.1 billion. Shell's revenue is ranked first among its top 10 competitors, but it has shown considerably compared to the previous year. For the quarter ending June 30, 2020, was $32.49 billion, on 64.55% decline year over year.
So, according to the 2019 annual report, Shell's revenue was $344,887 million. Income for the period was $16,342 million. Income attributable to non-controlling interest was $519 million. Income attributable to their shareholders was $15,842 million. And comprehensible income attributable to their shareholders was $13,773 million. Shell is interested in development of their employees and making their work quality better. They state that they believe in a diverse workforce and an inclusive and caring environment that respects and nurtures. So, when considering hiring professionals, it's in the focus on their abilities and skills. And the big company's social performance record, according to the 2019 Sustainability Report, gets better every year in terms of inclusivity and diversity alone. Shell stated that they want to contribute to tackling global change. They are finding ways to aim to provide more and cleaner energy solutions in a responsible way. One of their objectives is to become a net zero emissions business by 2050 or sooner. Shell wants to reduce the carbon intensity of the energy product we sell by 35% by 2035 and by 65% by 2050. And a few words about sustainability. A commitment to contribute to sustainable development was added to the Shell General Business Principles in 1997, and since then they have been working on embedding and integrating 3 levels around their business. 1. By taking care of the quality of their performance. 2. By providing energy that would both reduce the level of carbon emissions and would cater to their customers. And 3. By playing a positive role in communities where they operate and wider society.
I hope that this presentation was interesting for you. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.